Hey there, home cooks! If you're looking to lose weight but still craving that delicious butter chicken, I've got the perfect recipe for you. Today we're making a healthy version of butter chicken that's packed with flavors, low in calories and high in protein. And guess what? No cream butter or excess oil needed. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll marinate 200 grams of boneless, skinless chicken breast. In a bowl, mix the chicken with 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of lemon juice and your spices. Half a teaspoon each of turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala and cumin powder. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste for that extra zing. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, overnight if you want it super flavorful. Next, it's time to cook the chicken. Preheat your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the chicken for about 8-10 minutes, flipping halfway through. No air fryer? No problem. You can grill it in a pan with just half a teaspoon of olive oil until it's golden brown. Now for the gravy. In a non-stick pan, heat half a teaspoon of olive oil and add cumin seeds. Add 1 finely chopped small onion and saute until golden brown. Toss in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute. Add the puree from 1 tomato and cook until the oil separates. Sprinkle in your spices. A teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, garam masala and some salt. Finally, add half a cup of low-fat milk or 2 tablespoons of blended cashews for that creamy texture. Combine the cooked chicken with the gravy and let it simmer for 2-3 minutes. Add half a teaspoon of Kasuri Methi for that authentic touch. Stir well and you're done. Each serving comes in at around 280 calories with about 40 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs and 7 grams of fat. Perfect for your weight loss goals. Serve it with cauliflower rice, a small whole wheat roti or some steamed veggies. There you have it, a healthier butter chicken that doesn't skimp on flavor. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more healthy recipes. Happy cooking!